Hey guys, this is Hitech Talk, and in this video I will show you two secret settings that will help you to keep your Android phone battery life longer. So please watch this video full, and in this video one of my friend will explain you how to enable this to set it.
Hi friends, welcome to Hitech Talk. Are you frustrated with your phone's battery getting drained without even using it much? I think everyone is nowadays. So here is the secret. Today I'm going to tell you two things. That is two secret settings of your phone. And if those settings are kept off, you get the highest battery backup. Meaning your phone's battery won't drain out unnecessarily. You just need to turn off those two settings which will increase the battery backup. I won't be giving any tips today, just the two secrets. The secrets which will improve the battery backup of your phone. Once we turn off those two settings, you can monitor your phone for 1 or 2 days and you can see the difference of the battery backup. So first of all, everyone on their phone have settings. So we will go to settings first, and everyone has a developer option under the setting. Uh, Someone has it just over here, somewhere inside the about phone option. But as I don't have it here, as you can see, so I will click on 7 times on the build number. This is I have a OnePlus 3T, so I will just click on the build number of this OnePlus, which is written here, and I will click on that for 7 times so that I get the option of developer. The same way you can do it on your phone, either if it's over here as I said in the about option, or we have to click 7 times the build number to get the developer option. So let's do that. I have to give the device pattern. It says you are now a developer. Okay, so I get the developer option here. You see that, which was earlier not there. I will click on the developer option. Just scroll down on the last part. On the last part you will see apps. You see this part? Apps. In apps you see this tab as background process limit. Currently it is set as standard limit. I will click on it. See, this limit should be kept off. By default on all the phones, this particular category is always turned to standard limit, and we just need to turn it off. The reason behind is your phone's all applications runs in the background, which unnecessarily drains the battery. So we just need to click on no background processes. I will just select this option. It's not that now I have selected it as no background. We can definitely anytime, whenever you think that you should turn it on, you can again go to this option under the apps, you can click on it and you can go back to standard limit. But as of now, to reduce my battery which is getting drained, I will select this no background process. This is the first setting change which I have done on my phone so that my battery gets less drained. So now the second setting I will move on to. This is a particular setting which every single person keeps that setting on. I bet everyone keeps it on. So let me know in the comment box if it was on or not. uh, Again we will go to the settings and we will go to sound and vibration. Scroll down. Yes, as you can see, my settings are also on for this vibration. This particular settings under the system which says also vibrate for calls. So every time my phone vibrates, the battery drainage is more because the vibration eats up your phone's battery. So why to keep it on if we want our battery to work for more hours? So now what I will do is that I will just off this vibration. See, for touch sound also, even if I touch my phone anywhere, it will make a sound or a vibration which I don't require. I will just off it. Dial pad tones, that too also off. Screen locking sound, do I really need that? No. Vibrate on tap, don't need. Screenshot sound, we don't need that even, because whenever we take a screenshot there is a click sound that also eats up our battery, so I will just turn it off. So now this setting is also done. This was the second setting to turn off the vibration. Trust me guys, just make this two changes on your phone and I can assure then that you have to just enjoy with your phone rather than keep it charging every time. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to comment. Thank you.